We're counting down the 8 most astonishing machines reshaping Chinese agriculture. From robots that replace entire harvest crews to artificial intelligence-driven systems that boost yields and slash waste, these breakthroughs blur the line between science fiction and reality. Which invention puts farm labor on autopilot, and which one could redefine food production worldwide? Let us dive in, starting with number 8. A single machine now sweeps through poultry barns, collecting up to 8,000 chickens per hour, enough to replace 40 human workers on every shift. The Minuo CC8000 uses a gentle suction and conveyor system, guided by LiDAR and infrared sensors to move birds with a damage rate under 0.15%. Independent audits from SGS confirm the robot can process nearly 7,800 birds per hour, sustained over a 12-hour run. By automating the most grueling job in poultry production, farms have cut bird stress by about 70%, as measured by cortisol levels. For many, it's the first taste of precision livestock handling at this scale, where labor bottlenecks disappear and animal welfare improves, all with the push of a button. Drones now sweep across open fields, guided by AI and multispectral sensors that spot pests invisible to the human eye. One drone can treat up to 25 hectares on a single charge, but the real breakthrough comes when they fly in swarms. In Xinjiang, a coordinated fleet of 30 drones halted a bollworm outbreak on a cotton field of 10,000 acres, rerouting in real time as sensors detected wind shifts and pest hotspots. Each drone delivers chemicals with less than 2 centimeters of spray deviation, cutting waste and protecting yields. For many farms, these smart drones mean faster response, healthier crops, and far less chemical runoff. A robotic arm glides between strawberry rows, guided by spectral cameras that scan each berry for ripeness. The Laval FH2600 picks a fruit every 7 seconds, using soft silicone grippers that mimic a gentle human touch. In a single morning shift, it gathers up to 8,000 strawberries, with less than 5% missed or damaged, results confirmed by independent audits. Bruising rates have dropped by 30% compared to manual picking, and every berry that lands in the crate is export-ready. For growers in Shandong, this machine has turned a labor crisis into a showcase for precision, handling delicate crops at a scale that once seemed impossible. A single pass through the cotton fields of Xinjiang now yields 10 to 12 tons of raw fiber, picked, classified, and packed without stopping. The Yuanfong CH98A drives this transformation, using vision sensors to detect cotton bolls and spectral analytics to grade fiber quality in real time. Each bale is tagged with its grade before it even leaves the field, allowing farmers to command higher prices at the gin. With a verified pick rate of 99.5%, this machine replaces days of manual labor and delivers quality analytics once reserved for the lab. In 2025, the Ministry of Agriculture recognized these smart harvesters as key rural equipment, cementing their role in China's push for automated high-value cotton production. On the steep T-hills of Yunnan, a new kind of farmhand works day and night. The Zoomlion AG800 and the Minuo Smart Rover glide between rows, swapping tools for planting, watering, pruning, and soil testing, all without human intervention. These robots handle slopes up to 35 degrees and stay active for 16 hours on a single charge. In a single deployment, one unit tended 15,000 tea plants, sending real-time alerts for growth issues straight to the farmer's phone. Instead of focusing on a single crop, these platforms adapt to any field, learning each plant's needs and keeping the farm running around the clock. For growers, it is a leap from specialized machines to a universal helper that turns the entire landscape into a monitored, always-on smart system. Feeding hundreds of animals by hand once meant long hours and wasted feed. Now the Dongfang DF7 feeder robot rolls through barns, using radio frequency identification tags to deliver the right ration to each animal with no humans needed. Reports from field pilots and trade journals say a single unit can handle up to 500 head, adjusting portions with a margin of error under 150 grams per serving. On a demonstration farm in Henan, feed waste dropped from over 17% to just 4% after switching to precision feeding. For farmers, that means healthier herds, lower costs, and less guesswork. Every meal perfectly timed and measured. Inside China's most advanced poultry houses, the entire farm runs on algorithms and sensors. The Minuo PF100 system manages up to 24,000 birds at once, controlling climate, feed, water, and egg collection through a single digital dashboard. According to manufacturer reports, mortality rates have dropped by up to 90%, while egg production has climbed 40%. Costs per bird are down 60%, reshaping the economics of poultry entirely. Every process, from feeding to health checks, is handled by robotics, leaving humans to monitor alerts and optimize performance remotely. When this model was piloted in Kenya's Rift Valley, local farmer groups pushed back, worried about jobs and the disappearance of traditional practices. Yet for many operators, the numbers are hard to ignore. More eggs, healthier flocks, and a system that runs itself day and night. Across the wheat fields of Sichuan, an autonomous tractor steers itself with 2-centimeter precision, guided by RTK satellite and 360-degree cameras. Machines like the YTOA series run day and night, boosting farm productivity by 50% and cutting fuel use by 70%. For smallholders like Zhang Mei, leasing this technology means tending 2 extra hectares without hiring more help. Her parents now track fieldwork from a mobile app. This driverless powerhouse is not just a machine, it is the backbone for a new era of data-driven, high-efficiency farming. Across all 8 machines, one truth stands out. China isn't just modernizing farms, it's automating agriculture at scale. The future of food isn't distant. In China, it's already switched on.